Alright, good morning. Well, it's not morning anymore, it's noon, but my help is here. So, Outdrive Removal 101. It's pretty simple. First, take off the prop. We can do that. Make sure the boat's in forward gear. We've done that. There are 8 nuts that have to come off the outdrive for you to take it off. There are 2, one on each side of the hydraulic rams for the trim control. These 2 on mine, they happen to be 9/16. I don't know what they'll be on yours, but if it's an Alpha or Alpha-one, it'll be the same, I imagine. Then as you come up the outdrive, there are 6 more bolts, 3 on each side, and they're here, here, and here. They're 5/8 inch. So I've already broken them loose. We're just going to go ahead and take them off, and then we're going to try and pry this outdrive off and see how it goes.